Hi, have you ever attempted to draft a corset cup from scratch only to find it a bit perplexing? Do you yearn to craft a customized cup of your own instead of settling for mass produced options? And perhaps, like many, you've wondered if standard measurements like round the bust and under the bust truly suffice? If any of these thoughts resonates with you, then you're in the right place. This video is tailored just for you, where we unravel the precise measurements you need for the creation of a perfect cup of your size. Let's dive in and demystify the art of sewing cups for corsets. Let's start with the foundational guidelines for accuracy. Firstly, always ask your clients to wear a comfortable bra with wired cups, preferably a balconette. This usually features an underwire for added lift and support and a lower cup design compared to some other bra styles. Make sure the strap is firmly in place to ensure the bust line goes straight across the bust and the under bust is clearly visible for taking measurements. Outline the shape of the cup on the garment using a tape or a disappearing pen as shown. Now, this shows where the underwire ends and this shows where it starts. Now, it's been clearly outlined using a masking tape. Now, ensure all measurements are in cm and not in inches. Garments may have some allowances and not tightly fit on the body as a bra, and so not revealing the depression of the breech. Always press down like so on the breech but not on the bust or breast itself before taking measurements. We'll start with the very first important and key measurement, which is breast width. This measurement is taken horizontally from one side of the breast to the other side of the breast. I advise you use the start and end point of the bra underwire as reference. Take the measurement along the bust line, like so, okay? Now, place your tape very nicely on the bridge. Pass it across the bust. Place it on the other side of the bust line. Ensure the tape is not too tight while pressing down on the bridge alone. Do not press on the bust, not too tight and not too loose. Take note of your measurement and jot it down. In our case, it's 27 cm. The next key measurement to consider is the underwire diameter. This can be taken in two ways: without a handy underwire by measuring the distance along the underbust when you imagine the distance between both ends of the underwire of the bra, or by measuring the diameter of an underwire of a suitable size, like the one I have in hand, which is exactly the same as that built into her bra. Place your tape from one end to the other like so, and note down the measurement in cm. In our case, it's 15.3 cm. I note it down, and that takes us to the next key measurement, which is the underwire length. This entails measuring the length of the breast root with a flexible ruler, going under the breast where the corset bone would be. It is also easy to take the measurement together by measuring your client's balconette bra, its metal underwire part to be exact. This measurement will give you an idea of the actual length of the bone to use when shopping for a suitable underwire of non-standard length. Let me show you exactly what I mean by suitable underwire of same length. Now, when placed over the inbuilt underwire, it's exactly same length. Start point and end point is exactly same length. Now, what I mean is, if you have this handy, okay, just take it out, use your flexible ruler and take the measurement around the underwire metal bone. It will give you exactly same measurement as directly on the client's body. You can see we got exactly 27 cm, which is exactly what we got off the body, okay, while using the flexible ruler. I'll repeat it again for clarity. Watch me closely. Do not leave any distance in between. Take your measurement and note it down. Next on the list will be the bottom breast radius. It is the distance from the bust line to the bottom of the breast, or from the bottom of the breast to the bust line. It is important to take this measurement accurately, as a faulty value can ruin the whole construction of the cup. Take the measurement from the bust line to the bottom of the cup. In our case, it's 11 cm. The fifth key measurement is the vertical breast arc. This is the vertical distance from the bottom of the breast to the top point of the breast mound. And this is one of the most difficult measurements as it relates to cup drafting. While it's easy to find the bottom of the breast, it might be difficult to locate the position of the top point, as women have breasts of different shapes and sizes, and also largely subject to individual preferences, as some may want it very revealing and others prefer it covered up. The easiest way is to draw an imaginary circle with disappearing ink, or use the metal underwire of the correct size, like so. The top point above the nipple is the top point of the breast mound. I will not bother marking this point, as it's same as the neckline of my client's vest. Now take your tape, place it nicely under the bust. Remember, our bust point or bottom breast radius was 11 cm. Now the current measurement, vertical breast arch, has a value of 23 cm. Note it down, and that will be the last key measurement for the day. I advise you get metal underwire of different sizes at your disposal. Thank you so much for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it valuable and inspiring. If this video has made an impact on you, please show your support by liking, sharing, and leaving a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when our next video drops. We'll be diving deep into the pattern drafting of this sewing cup proper. You don't want to miss this. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. Bye.